Hi, welcome to Speaking Better Clinic. I am Coach Albert. I am not a native English speaker. So you might ask me, Coach Albert, why should I learn English from you? It's a good question. I can tell you that I have been living and working in the United States for more than 35 years. I have been coaching people English and public speaking for more than 10 years. I have also given over 100 English speeches. Like you, I struggle in improving my own English. Like you, I experience the learning pain. So, I know and understand your pain. Therefore, I am better equipped to fix your problems. In the last few years, I taught my mother-in-law English. She was from Taiwan and had never learned English before. Now, 79 years old, she can read, write, and understand English. She can also chat with our American neighbors in English. It has been just amazing. To help her learn, I invented many simple and easy formulas so she can easily memorize them and use them in her own learning. I think my methods are effective, so I believe you can benefit greatly from my inventions. Principle number 1. A sentence must have a subject and a verb. Example 1. You run. You is the subject. Run is the verb. Example number 2. I cook. I is the subject. Cook is the verb. As you can see, we only need 2 words to make a sentence. Question 1. Is this sentence correct? I know English. My mother-in-law used to say to people, I know English. Is her sentence correct? The answer is no. It is not correct because there is no verb in her sentence. She should have said, I do not know English. I do not speak English. I cannot speak English. Principle 2. The verb after helping verb must be in its original form. Example 1. Can you drive? Can, helping verb. Drive, original form. Example 2. Do you go to school? Do, helping verb. Go is a verb in its original form. Question 2. Is this sentence correct? I didn't want it to go. My mother-in-law used to say to people, I didn't want it to go to school. The answer is no. I didn't want it to go to school is not correct. The correct sentence is I didn't want to go to school. Want should be in its original form. Principle 3. 2 verbs cannot be right next to each other. They will fight. Add a to separate them. Example 1. I walk to buy food. Walk, verb. To, buy, another verb. Example 2. I want to go to church. Want, verb. To, go, another verb. Principle 4. A countable noun cannot be there by itself. It needs an a before it or an s at the end of it. Example 1. I am a teacher. You need a before teacher. Example 2. I love dogs. You need a s at the end of dog because teacher and dog are both countable nouns. Question 4. Is this sentence correct? I was nurse. My mother-in-law was a nurse, and she used to say to people, I was nurse. Answer 4. No, it is not correct because we need an before nurse. I was nurse was incorrect. I was a nurse is correct. Principle number 5. S3VS. S3VS. The verb after a singular noun or the third person pronoun must have an S at the end. Example number 1. Mary loves me. Mary is a singular noun. Therefore, love needs an S at the end. Example number 2. She goes to school. She is a third person pronoun. Therefore, we need to put ES after go. Principle 6.1. BE verb plus noun. Example number 1. I am a teacher. Am is a BE verb. Teacher is the noun. Example number 2. They are students. Are BE verb. Students, noun. Principle 6.2. BE verb plus adjective. Example 1. She is beautiful. Is BE verb. Beautiful, adjective. Example 2. I am smart. Am BE verb. Smart, adjective. Principle 6.3. BE verb plus preposition. Example 1. I am at home. Am BE verb. At preposition. Example 2. She is in the classroom. Is BE verb. In preposition. Principle 6.4. BE verb plus present participle. It is a formula for present continuous tense. Example 1. I am eating dinner. Am BE verb. Eating present participle. Example 2. Mary is driving. Is BE verb. Driving present participle. Question 6.4. Is this sentence correct? I driving to the airport. I used to have a boss from Taiwan who would always say, I driving to the airport. So is this sentence correct? The answer is no. I driving to the airport is not correct. We need the am. I am driving to the airport because we need a BE verb, am, before the present participle driving. Principle 6.5. BE verb plus past participle. We also call it PP. Is the formula for passive voice. Example number 1. She was bitten by a dog. Was, BE verb, bitten, is the past participle. Example number 2. I am bored. Am, BE verb, bored, PP. Question 6. Which sentence is correct? I am interested in her. I am interested in her. The first sentence is correct. We need to put the ed. I am interested in her. That is actually a passive voice. I am interested by her. Principle 6.6. Always in PP. These verbs are always used in their PP form. Number 1, I am married. Number 2, I am worried about him. Number 3, I am excited about my trip. Number 4, I am concerned for her. Question 6.6. Is this sentence correct? Did you marry? The answer is this sentence is not correct. The correct version should be Are you married? Did you marry? Is in the active voice. Are you married? Is in passive voice. I guess in Chinese we would say, did you marry? But in English we say, are you married? Are you married by someone? Principle 7. Present tense has 3 key usages. First, present situation. How do you feel? Second, habitual activities. I walk every day. 3. Eternal truth, facts. The sun rises in the east. Principle number 8. A vowel not stressed is pronounced as Example 1. England is not England. Example number 2. Grammar is not grandma. Conclusion 1. Repetition is the mother of learning. When you first learn about these 8 principles, you might find them strange because they are my inventions. Repeat them often, memorize them if you can. You will find them very useful. Conclusion 2. Learning English is a long process with accumulation of knowledge and experiences. It takes determination, persistence, and patience. Do not give up easily and do not feel too frustrated too easily. With the right teachers and effective learning methods, your English will definitely be improved. Happy learning. See you next time.